Wait, that's the morning duck.
Yeah.
And the swimming moon. So he's swimming.
Oh, they're coming over. They know we got food.
And now we're back.
Look, they're coming.
Look at the
all of
fishes right beside it.
them. Where? Oh, I see them.
Look, they're going.
Look at all of them.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? You gotta break it up in pieces.
Okay.
Throw it in the water.
Okay, come on, duckies.
No, throw it far, Joey. Far.
Oh God.
Look at them.
Oh
at 'em.
Jesus.
I told you they're psychotic.
It's Attack of the Ducks, dog.
Here.
Oh my God, where are all these ducks coming from?
I told you.
God, these ducks just like here bred.
Hey, Dad, stop that. Stop eating them.
Here. Oh, look at the big white ones. These ones are the mean ones.
Hello, ducky. Get it.
Look at the Aflac duck.
Aflac. Oh my God, look at that. Fighting for bread.
Look, they're psychotic. Look at those ones out there. Here. I'll give you a piece, but you gotta break it up, okay? Don't throw the whole bread in. Don't throw the whole bread in, Joey. Tear it. Tear it. There you go.
Drop one down in front of them.
You want a piece?
Hey, you want a piece?
Look at him. He's a hungry one. Get it, get it.
I think we got every duck in the pond out here.
Oh, yeah.
Look at those.
Come on.
They're hungry.
Yeah, they're hungry to eat. Give me that food.
Look at them. They're going crazy. They're biting each other's butts. Look at that one. He's biting the other one. Oh my God. They're psychotic.
Shh.
They're psychotic. I'm
Oh my
sorry.
gosh.
I'm so
These ducks are like freaking piranha with bread, man.
Give me that.
We're gonna be out of
We're
bread.
having fun.
Give me that.
We almost are out of bread. Here, take one. Take one. Break it up into small pieces.
Hey, you want one? You want one? You want one? Huh? You want one? Hey, baby.
Me and Joey are having fun. You want to throw some, Chris?